Oliver Santiago, student of CIT, currently working as a freelance graphic designer and illustrator. I was approached by Mr. Sherwin O to design the new brochure for our school, and I immediately accepted it because I think it will showcase my style. First step is yung pag-isip ng main concept. Mahirap yun kasi sisimula ka sa wala. There's a lot of pressure, especially in my side. I drew some roughs kung ano yung magiging concept. Then, after that, I decided to make an encore of my Freedom artwork, which is the cover of the Graphicam Manila 2012 book. I want a remake of my artwork Freedom, but I want to level it up. Parang taasan ko pa yun. And after ma-approve yung final concept, I started doing the final art. The drawing ka ulit, then scan, then vector mo siya using my favorite tool, the pen tool. Working with the line art muna lahat. After ng line art, color lahat. Then, after ng coloring, composition naman, yung mga placement. Saan mo sila magandang ilagay. Then, may limit din dapat sa color. So, yun. Dun din ako medyo nahirapan yung pag-match ng colors. Yung hindi masakit sa mata, yung tama lang. Start ng maghanap ng model na pwede dito. By January, ayun, sabi ko, sir, sa pang photoshoot with a new model, I started bringing up some new ideas na yung inspirations na ayun, pwedeng pagkuhanan. Then, ayun, thankful ako kasi na nagkaroon ako ng gandang project kasi dito na-test yung skills ko kung hanggang saan. Then, medyo namulat ako sa design industry kung yung process, revisions, then deadlines, mga ganun. Time management din. Parang natutunan kung paano mag-manage ng time. Siyempre, nag-aaral din ako. So, mahirap i-balance kung nag-work ka din. I'd like to thank Mr. Sherwin O for giving me this project. Malaking opportunity to para sa akin. Then din sa mga nag-model for the reference, ayun, good job. Si Alisa tsaka si JC, ayun, sila yung nasa brochure. Salamat.